How about you, Kuya? What can you say?
For me, it's good.
It's you. So, what else?
What can you say about the beef inside?
The beef inside is very delicious.
Yeah, you can taste it. The beef.
It's grilled.
Yeah, it's already grilled, guys. Not the whole beef inside. It's only.
Hi! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is JM Body Vlogs. Ang dating lalaki na ngayon bakla. Ang tawag ay X-Men. X-Men! Kung bago ka sa channel niya, please don't forget to subscribe. X-Men! X-Men!
Hi! Welcome back to my channel. This is me, JM Body Vlogs. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Burger King. Naglibre si Kuya.
Ito, naglibre siya.
Kasi nga, lasing. Oh, tingnan nyo.
Hindi lasing na.
Inom na. So ngayon, hinihintay namin yung aming order. Shoutout pala sa aking dahi.
Kaya ako nito ha?
Okay, nandiyan
Yes,
yung
nandiyan
order.
yung order. Nandahan na.
Habang hinihintay natin. So, hindi malari palibre kasi si Kuya. Oh, dito nagpalit. Orong natin.
Hindi siya pwede yung urong. Sige, kain na tayo. Ang laki, ang laki.
Pero bahala na mag-usap-usap dyan. Nasa kalpataan na kami. Happy birthday to you. Birthday. Naka-conscious ako sa aking Oh, okay na.
Ito yung coco.
Ay, sorry.
Ito yung ice cream. Malaki isang serving ng protein.
This is a protein.
Yan.
Pero wala silang straw. Meron?
Ayun po.
Sabay-sabay tayo guys dito. Para pang thumbnail. Dali. Buksan mo na Kuya.
5, 6, 7.
So it's a 5, 6, 7, go, yeah.
Sarap.
I-review natin yung kanilang Anong tawag dito?
Ito yung kanilang
We're not going to speak Tagalog or any language, only English. So what can you say to our
Okay, English only. English challenge. Can I take a bite first before I will comment?
Yeah, sure. First look guys of their food. That's solid food of King.
Both are try. I'll try.
Wow.
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice. How about you, Kuya? What can you say?
For me, it's good.
It's you. So, what else?
What can you say about the beef inside?
The beef inside is very delicious.
Yeah, you can taste it. The beef.
It's grilled.
Yeah, it's already grilled, guys. Not the whole beef inside. It's only.
The beef inside is very beefy, and I almost hear the sound of mo. So beefy, mighty beefy.
Yeah.
You can hear the sound
Yeah.
while biting.
Yeah.
Try to bite, and where there's a mo. See?
The beef is fried.
The beef is crying while biting. Don't throw it. Don't throw the cow.
Oh my god.
Oh, the cow is crying.
It's fun to be here, guys.
Yeah.
With them.
Just visit the branch here in Alcarama. The Burger King here is so delicious. And the staff is very accommodating.
Yes, the staff is very respectable.
I think all the staff is not only Filipino. There's so many nationalities here. Yeah.
But now he is a Filipino and at the same time, speechless. He is very speechless because the French fries here is very pricey. Very pricey.
Very crunchy.
Wow. You love it?
Yeah, I love it.
I love it.
I'm so full now. I cannot take this one.
Masarap na, libre pa. Mag-iinarte ka pa ba? Don't forget to subscribe, Ante Maarte. Ante Electriches.
Wow. Crap siya, guys. So delicious. Yummy, yummy. Anong oras na dito?
English please.
It's already 11:30 here in Dubai. Yeah.
We're still having fun here to eat.
Now everybody's still alive and eating.
We're just enjoying our life here in Dubai. Because life is too short.
Who is telling that OFW life is very lonely, very sad? No! It's a fake news.
Yes.
OFW life is very good. You can do what you want. You can go anywhere what you want. Like that, if you have free time.
You can have fun anytime you want.
Yes.
Especially you have money.
You can meet anyone if you have time. Oh.
Yeah. You can enjoy anytime, anyone. Charot.
Yes, OFW is very good. You can meet different faces of people. Not like in the Philippines, only Filipino.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Like in this shop.
Yummy.
Or Pakistan.
So, bumuo kami ng grupo namin ito, ng mga vlogger. Ano pangalan ng grupo natin? X-Battalion. X-Men Battalion. Ano ba? Kasali ka lang sa aming vlog. Kaya ka na
It's already 1:40 burger guys, but I already full. I want to take it all because I'm hungry. Ano ba?
Ayan.
Ano sabi mo?
Ano daw?
Oh my God.
He wants to take it all because he's hungry.
Yeah.
Take it all, bro.
Yeah, bro.
It's all yours.
I like the sauce. What sauce is this? I sauce?
I see. Because the sauce is so very saucy. Charot.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I want to stop.
All the fruit of the vegetable here is very veggie, very fresh, especially the tomato
Yeah.
and the lettuce.
Lettuce. Oh my god. Oh my god. See? Oh my god, guys. I want to share with you guys. So delicious and oh my god.
Dipili zoom.
So, di ba lapit talaga, no?
Oo, dipili zoom, no? Ay, direct na to. Oh, your hand is shaking.
No.
Wow. Oh my God.
Because he is hungry.
Yes, you're very hungry. Oh my God.
Take it all, bro.
You
Take it
look
all.
like, ano,
It's all yours.
Slum Island.
It's all yours.
You are Slum Island, you know?
Because I want to, yeah.
You are big hungry.
No.
And a snack island also.
I want to taste every bite. Yeah.
Anyway, it's your style.
Yeah. Okay. And once again, thank you so much to our beloved sponsor.
Boober.
Hindi to sponsor yung Burger King din sa akin. Kain na kami. Baka naman.
Nakashare na ng table.
Yeah.
Burger King, baka naman. Pangalawang ano namin ko dito.
Libre na.
Pangalawang vlog namin ko dito.
Oh my God. I taste the tomato.
It's Katcha King food. Alam mo, nung nabukas ang Burger King sa Pilipinas, nung nag-umpisa ko lang siya sa Pilipinas, nasa Manila pa ako, yung Burger King
Ilang
noon,
taon?
it's like 1999 siguro. Yeah, I'm so old. I was very young then. I'm only 2 years old before.
Okay.
In 1999, you know.
That's it.
Oh my God. 2 years old? How about me? 1991. And then,
If you're going to order food from Burger King, the soda is outside, not inside. You can drink as more as you can by the drinks. Don't. What we do is we not throw our cups. Yeah, just drink like this, and then you go again to the soda counter. Then you take again,
Yeah.
take again, take again. Unlimited drink.
Unlimited
Oh my
drink.
God. This is the Burger King before in the Philippines. I don't know here in Dubai. The Burger King is not only for food. It's because the government is trying to reduce the soda consumption of the
Yeah.
people because of obesity.
They are health friendly.
Yeah, health friendly. So they are not allowed unlimited soft drinks here.
yeah,
Because
no, I know.
the government don't want everybody to become obese, become very big like this, like them.
Soon to be, huh?
No, you know I have my yoga in my channel soon. So I'm going to help you guys to reduce weight by yoga and Zumba. With the help of my friend, GM Body Blood, will introduce to us the like 10 minutes yoga, 10 minutes stretching, and 10 minutes.
Wow.
You have the choice what you want. 10 minutes of dancing and eating after.
Yeah, I already finished my burger. It's so delicious, guys. I recommend the Burger King near in your place. Oh my God, it's delicious. How about you, Kuya? What can
Who
you
is
say?
your God? Why you are always calling your God? Oh my God.
OMG, like that.
Oh our God.
Oh God. Shout out sa aking noon na napaka...
Now I know that Bobet love to eat French fries. So he's going to eat everything.
No.
Papain gusto.
Ito lang guys. So, kahit na malamig, nag-ice cream pa rin kami. So, ito na yung last na order namin dito sa Burger King. Shoutout pala ulit sa aming sponsor. Busy yung iba kasi may migraine na naman pa. Nagkakaroon ng condition ng tubig. Papaalam na tayo. Hi! Papaalam na kayo. Ano masabi nyo? Shout
Magpapaalam
out.
na kami. Maraming salamat sa Burger King, of course. And I would like to thank you, the chicken girl. You are going to pay the chicken and the sponsor,
Okay.
Mr.
Bombet.
Bombet. And the fries is very good. Let's try this one.
Yeah, let's try first before we go out. Try namin yung french fries sa masarap siya. So, mahaba na ating video So, walang edit kasi ito Diretso na upload sa YouTube. Sa muli, yes. Yes, sa muli guys.
Ayaw ito madugtong. Hindi maigit.
Sa muli guys, ito si JM Body Vlogs, ang dating lalaki na kay bakla daw guys.
X-Men.
Yeah.
And this is your ate mo ate. Right.
And paalam na.
Alam, huwag na maging arte. Subscribe my channel, Ate mo arte.
What you heard about me.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please click subscribe, like, and share button para sa marami pang mga videos. At huwag kalimutan, i-hit ang notification bell para ma-update ka sa aming mga bagong upload. This is JM Body Vlogs, ang dating lalaki na ngayon bakla. Ang tawag ay X-Men.